Working for a startup is a unique and exciting experience, but it's not for everyone. Those who thrive in this environment possess a certain set of qualities that allow them to navigate the uncertainty and volatility that come with working in a fast-paced, innovative environment. From adaptability and resilience to communication and collaboration skills, these qualities are critical to success in a startup, but the rewards are worth it. So here are 8 key qualities you should acquire that startups can't resist.
But it is a business. How's it going to work?
The advice I would give,
biggest risk you can take is
I can make money much faster than Apple.
The first quality is adaptability. Adaptability is a key trait for startup success, as it enables individuals to pivot and change course quickly in response to new information and changing circumstances. You need to be open-minded, flexible and proactive, and willing to pivot and adjust as needed. Adaptable individuals are also quick learners and not afraid to ask for help. Don't get too attached to a particular plan or idea, and be willing to let go and try something new if necessary. The second quality is resilience. Startups are looking for employees with resilience because it's crucial for startup success, as it allows individuals to overcome challenges and stay focused on their goals. It involves staying positive, learning from setbacks, maintaining perspective, and staying flexible and adaptable. Resilient individuals don't get discouraged easily and can stay optimistic and motivated in the face of adversity. They view challenges as opportunities to grow and improve, and use setbacks as a chance to learn and do better next time. It's all about having the mental toughness and emotional resilience to weather the ups and downs of a startup. At number 3, we have curiosity. Curiosity can drive innovation, improve engagement, foster experimentation, enhance problem solving, facilitate communication, promote learning, and keep the startup competitive. Basically, a curious employee is a powerhouse of potential. Number 4 is problem solving. Problem solving is like the superhero of qualities. It always saves the day when things get tough. A startup values employees who are problem solvers as to set themselves up for success both in the short and long term. Skill number 5 is communication. Communication is the backbone of any successful startup. That's why they need employees with strong communication skills that can help them build relationships with customers, partners, and investors. The next quality is persistence. Persistence is like the secret sauce for startups because it helps them push through the inevitable challenges and setbacks that come with building a company from scratch. Persistent employees are like the backbone of the company, always staying committed and pushing forward. It's the grit and determination that can make all the difference between success and failure. Let's move on to initiative. It's like the secret ingredient that can turn a regular employee into a startup superhero. When employees take initiative, they bring a sense of drive and ownership to their work that can make a lot of difference. They are like the spark plugs that keep the engine of the startup running smoothly. And when they have initiative, they are more likely to take risks and try new things, which can lead to the breakthrough and innovation startups need. Last but not least, we have passion and cultural fit. Passion and cultural fit for a company's mission and values is all about aligning your personal beliefs and goals with those of the organization, which involves a strong belief in and alignment with the company's mission and values, pride in being a part of something larger than oneself, embodiment of the company's values and a commitment to living them out in daily work, desire to contribute to the company's success and growth, sense of purpose and fulfillment in working towards a shared goal, and drive to go above and beyond in service of the company's mission. Employees who can navigate uncertainty and help the company succeed and grow are invaluable assets to startups. When you acquire these traits, you become innovative and well equipped to tackle the challenges of a rapidly evolving business landscape, and startups will definitely want to hire you. Let us know in the comments what steps you're taking to develop these qualities. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest videos and follow us on social media for more content and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.